Hello friends, now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first bracket, solve the addition inside the parenthesis. So first parenthesis is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. And according to this step 1 bracket, always take the priority. We must simplify the grouped numbers before performing any outside the operations. So now the expression becomes 12 multiplied by 6 divided by 6 minus 6. And according to the step 2 division, we divide the values first. So first divided 6 divided by 6 equals to 1. And now the expression becomes 12 multiplied by 1 minus 6. According to this step 2, following the BODMAS, division is performed before the multiplication and subtraction. Now the third step, multiplication. Now we multiply the digits. First we multiply 12 multiplied by 1 equals to 12. And now the expression becomes 12 minus 6. And according to this step 3, multiplication is the next priority in the sequence after the division. Now we subtract the values. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 and 6 is the final result. According to this step, subtraction is the final step in the expression as per the order of operation. So now, according to this expression, by systematically applying the BODMAS rule, we ensure that the mathematical logic is sound and the final result of this expression is 6. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.